Hello, first grade. Welcome back to phonics. We are going to learn today that vowel teams can make new sounds, so hang with me here. First, let's sing a song. This song is to the tune of Hi Ho from Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs. That song goes like this: Hi ho, it's off to work we go. Now that you've got the tune in your head, let's go ahead and sing along to the word builder song. Ready? Let's go, let's go. It's time to work, let's go. We build new parts with parts we know. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. The words we know will grow. We use our words to read and write. It's time to work, let's go. I think I messed up the ending part a little bit, but that's all right. You guys can sing it again if you want, or you can just listen to me. Ready? Let's go, let's go. It's time to work, let's go. We build new parts with words we know. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. The words we know will grow. We use our words to read and write. It's time to work, let's go. Nice. That was fun. Well, we already know a bunch of vowel teams from last week and the week before. I made you guys a chart, my vowel teams chart. We've got E, that sounds like tree. E, A, that sounds like E as well. And that sounds like eat. OA says O, like boat. AI says A, like rain. AY says A, like play. You guys can make your own vowel teams chart if you want, but for right now, you can just use mine. Today, I want to teach you that some vowel teams work in special ways. Instead of making a long vowel sound like all those ones we just reviewed, some vowel teams work together to make a new sound. OU says ow, like ow, you pinched me. I'm going to say that again. OU says ow, like ow, you pinched me. Let's take a word, look at a word that has OU that says ow in it. Let's look at this word we already know. I bet you guys read that one in a snap, out. But we can segment that. I broke it into blocks, but if you want to watch me do it on my arm like a sword, you can do that too. Let's segment it into the two sounds that we hear. Out, out. Let's try with another word. We're going to segment it again. OU is in the middle of a word this time. I see a p, out. I can put that together and say proud. Or maybe some of you even saw the PR together right away and you went proud, proud. Nice work. Now I want you guys to try it with other words. I'm going to stop talking so you guys can spend some time figuring out the words that I'm going to show on the next slide. If you get stuck reading those words, get your sword out and segment it like we just did. Proud, and then crash it back together, proud. Let's try. So can you guys read these words? If you get stuck, break it apart like we just did. I hope you read those words or gave it a best shot. If not, try it now. Ready for me to tell you? Good job doing your best work. This word is count, count. This word is loud, loud. This word is mouse, mouse. This word I can go ground, ground. Now we can read them in a snap. Count, loud, mouse, ground. So we can add a new vowel team to our vowel teams chart. Down at the bottom here, I've got OU that says ow, like cloud. If you guys want, you can print this out and have it handy for when you're reading books if you come across any of these kind of sneaky vowel teams that are trying to trick you. Or you can take a piece of paper and make your own vowel teams chart that looks like this one. Next up, you've got a couple of things to do, so I'm going to give you some instructions. Hold on. Okay, after you're done listening to these instructions, I want you to hit the X at the top and get out of this video. Then you're going to click into the next video, which is called Assignment. OU Ladder. Okay, that's also going to be a video, and for that you will need a pencil and a piece of paper. Then when you're done with that, you're going to go to Seesaw, and I've got a fun game waiting for you there. After all of that, I want you to click Mark as Done. All right? Then you're going to read for 15 to 20 minutes books that are just right for you. That means that they're not too hard and they're not too easy. If you don't have any more of those books, always go to Raz Kids and try and level up. See you later.